G'day, Johnny G, Naked Racer Motor Co. Here we are today with a Royal Enfield. This is something I never thought I'd ever do. Royal Enfield in the motorcycle fraternity had a disgusting reputation for many years, and we wouldn't even work on them. Like, if somebody turned up with the Royal Enfield, we would send them away because they were just renowned for being shit. And anyway, things have changed, and they've especially changed with this bike here, which is the 650 Twin, the Meteor engine. And it is an absolute weapon for what it is. It's unburstable, very fast, very reliable, just very sweet to ride. Lots of power all through the range, and just got so much potential for hotting up. There's been one done by Andrew Hallam, and went out to Lake Gardner and set records on the salt. Just think about that, you know, this is something that I would have never thought would be possible from the Royal Enfield company. But let's talk about a bit of history. You know, this is really the oldest continuously running motorcycle company in the world, which quite amazing. First became a motorcycle company in 1901. In the mid-19th century, they made bicycles and stuff like that. And by the end of the 19th century, they were clipping motors on. But that wasn't until 1901 that they really made a motorcycle. And they made some great motorcycles in that period. You know, in the 20s, they had beautiful V-twin Royal Enfields, very appealing bikes, very rare, especially around here. We weren't really exposed to them very much, so we really got the 500 and 350 bullets, which were absolute crap, and especially the ones that were made in England, obviously. And so we didn't really give them much kudos. But this is a game changer. So although they started in 1901, they formed a alliance with the Indians in the 50s, and they started making Royal Enfields under license in India, in Chennai, and by 1967 the English company closed its doors for the very last time, and so production of Royal Enfields was only out of India, and that's where mostly they got their bad reputation, because obviously the metallurgy and a lot of the assembly and stuff was a bit shoddy and they weren't reliable, and so they gained a very bad reputation. So things changed drastically in 2000 when a young fellow called Siddhartha Lal took over as managing director of the company, and he changed the whole doctrine, and they started making some much better bikes, more reliable bikes, and they've chipped away at it for a long time. And I believe that they got some engineers and some design guys from Triumph and from BMW that helped them, and especially now with this, like from 2016 onwards, you know, they made the Meteor engine, and the bike is just a weapon, you know. And now they've got the Himalayas, they've got a lot of things with singles, and the singles have become very reliable as well. So the whole thing's just really become, the electronics are good, the suspension, as you can see, everything now is, like the rims on these bikes, beautiful alloy rims. So the high quality finish on these bikes is quite amazing. And these bikes are $10,000, brand spanking new, with a 2-year or 3-year warranty. So quite incredible. And we're going to take it out for a ride, and we'll talk more about the history when we come back. See you there. Beautiful. Great spacing between the gears. You can fit a big bloke on it, and it's quite right for the small blokes as well. Get a look at that. See you later. So, you know, these days, all the tech in a Royal Enfield, ABS, electric start, they just got, you know, the whole lot. Something I didn't mention before was, after that ride, you think about, it's got digital instrumentation, it's got electric start, it's got ABS, all the tech, in a classic cruiser. Now, I think this is the biggest selling classic cruiser now on the planet, obviously price-wise, and for how reliable it is, and just the look of it, So this is a Conti GT, and it's for sale here at Nagarasa Motor Co. It's done 6,000 original kilometres, and it's in beautiful condition, and it's a bargain, so get your butt down here and buy it. All right, remember to like, follow and share, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Adios.